Hey guys, hey beautiful families, how are you doing? How are you all doing? Welcome to another video. Welcome to my channel, African Lioness TV. If you are new here, welcome. Hit the red button to subscribe, like, share, put your comment down in the comment section below. In today's video, we are going to discuss about one important African meal. On today's vlogmas, draw your chair very close, guys. Draw your chairs very close with your teeth. Let's talk about one of our beautiful food, one of our Nigerian food, Nigerian delicacy, guys. So we are going to talk about our one and only African salad. Yay! African Nigerian salad. All right, yes, we are going to talk about African Nigerian salad, and that brings us to Abacha. Yay! What is Abacha, guys? What is Abacha? Abacha is one of Nigerian delicacies, and this Nigerian delicacy is from southeastern part of Nigeria. This is the salad you normally find in southeastern Nigeria. The Igbos, yes, the Igbos. They eat it other places, other parts of Nigeria, but it is predominantly found in Igbo land, guys. So that is Igbo's identity, one of their cultural native food, guys. So without wasting much time, guys, let's go in deep to know more about Abacha. Abacha. So Abacha and Oba, also known as African salad, is a beloved dish traditionally prepared by the Igbo tribe of eastern Nigeria. Abacha is made from dried and shredded cassava roots, and Oba is also obtained from fermented African oil bean seeds. Right? Yes, that is Oba. Oil bean seed. We are talking about Oba. You know Oba. Oba is one tree like that, hard wood. The wood is very hard and nice. That wood, that Oba wood, even the wood is very strong to use it build a house. You know, anything you use Oba wood to build will never rust or will never spoil. You know, it's a very strong hardwood, guys. So likewise, the seed is very nutritious, very nice. So that is, we use it to add to our Abacha, that African salad we are talking about. Okay, right, guys. So the key to making a good African salad is to make sure that all the ingredients are well incorporated. So before you make African salad, guys, that is Abacha. That is native name of it is Abacha. That's what we call it. But in English, we call it African salad. Though we have different types of African salad, but the one we are talking about today is Nigerian Igbo African salad. Okay, that is Abacha. That's the one we are talking about. So yes, so guys, you have to have everything complete. The ingredients, I'm going to list them out for you. So we are going to make sure we gather all our ingredients together before we start. So if you don't have your ingredients and you start, you're gonna find it difficult. Okay, it's gonna be difficult for you to get that quality or that taste that you would like to have in your Abacha. That is why you need to get everything complete before you start. So guys, before you start, you make sure you get like 4 cups of abacha. You can get as much as you want depending on how many people you are making the abacha for. So, but for these teaching purposes, you can just get like 4 cups of abacha, maybe 2.5 cups of ugba. Rinse in a very warm water. Then you can use 1 cup or 1.5 cup of oil, palm oil, red oil. Mmanu nri. Yes, like mama, I always like using mmanu nri, and the mmanu nri na-use bụ asụrụ mmanu ejiri aka wee sọ. So that one very nice, very fresh and nice. Yeah, so 1 teaspoon of edible potatoes. Maggi chopper, potash, sorry. 1 teaspoon of edible potash. Enwere potash bụ akanwụ. So akanwụ bụ ya bụ potash. Ma ndị na-etinyekwa akanwụ like mụnwa na-eme abacha m adaghị m etinye akanwụ. Adakwa m etinye ngụ. Okay? Amụtara m ya na my neighbor oyi m nwaanyị mụ na ya bi Enugu. So n'aka ya ka m si wee mụta ka esi eme abacha. So I learned this from my friend in Enugu. So when she do her abacha, they don't put all those things. Okay? So a fresh fish, whole fish, you get a fresh fish like in fact any fish. Okay, any fish can serve this purpose, but the best fish I normally like to use is ice fish. Any ice fish, roasted ice fish is good. Okay, you debone, make sure you remove all the bones in it. Once you remove all the bones in the fish, it is good. So far it's hence it's fresh fish. It's very, very nice. Okay, yeah. Another one is 2 maybe 3 medium stock fish. All right, you get like cut the way they cut it, you can soak it to make it soft. All right, stock fish. Then 1 to 2 Scott bonnet pepper. Then red onion chopped. Give onion ndị na-acha here. Give cut oil, red onion. Give cha. You know, you cut your red onion. Maybe 3 to 5 garden egg leaves. Akwụkwọ aṅara. You know, I use more than this. You know, it depends on individual. I'm just saying it for education purposes. Okay, for educative purposes. So that's why I'm making it easy. So you don't need to have a whole bowl of akwụkwọ aṅara before you will make your abacha. So then utazi, maybe 5 to 7 leaves of utazi. All right, some people call it utazi, some people call it otazi. So you know what I mean. That otazi, I don't know the name in English. Then is it Gongronema latifolium, something like that? That is otazi. Gongronema, Gongronema. Then latifolium, Latifolium. Latifolium. Gongronema latifolium. That's the spelling. So I will also spell it there so you can grab it. Then maybe 3. Okay, it depends on what you want and the quantity of your abacha you are making. Okay, this thing I'm just giving is literally for educative purposes, so you can add or you can reduce. All right, so maybe 2 teaspoonful of crayfish powder. You know, you can blend your crayfish. Yeah, you can pound it. Then nutmeg, you can use like 4 calabash nutmeg seeds. You know what nutmeg? You know nutmeg now, that small nut. Yeah, Then ogiri, maybe 1 teaspoon of ogiri, and 1 bouillon cube. If you use maggi, maybe 1 cube of maggi or half. If you use maggi, like me, I don't use all these things on my abacha. I do my abacha just with natural things, all those things, and salt and the pepper. Okay. And it tastes so good. Try it, you would like it. Try it, you would like it. You would like it. You come back here and give a testimony. Okay. So instruction on how to do this abacha. Begin by, you have to start, okay? You have to start your preparation by washing the fresh fish well and drying it with paper towels. Place it in a dish and mix it with salt, curry, and a crumbled bouillon cube. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes, maybe 30 to 1 hour, all right, in a cool place. Then soak the abacha in cold water till soft, about 10 minutes, and leave to drain in just leave it to drain in a kind of sieve, all those drainer. Once marinated, grill the fish for about 45 minutes or 50 minutes on high heat until it is well done. It is ready to eat. All right. Then boil the stockfish. Boil ya okporoko gi. Stockfish okporoko in a pot of water with salt and seasoning till soft. So that ọ ga-enwe ike tọọ ụtọ ka a na-eri ya na ngwa. Dissolve the akanwụ gị in 1 cup of water. Were akanwụ gị, ndị na-use akanwụ, the potash, the edible potash. Then you dissolve it. Then in a food processor, blend the grind ehuru down. Gị were blender blend the eye. Then the scotch bonnet pepper, the crayfish, and onion. Blend everything together to make a paste. Okay. Then roast the calabash nutmeg. That nutmeg, your nutmeg, blend it lightly in a pan. Roast your nutmeg slightly in a pan. Then grind it with a mortar and pestle or using a spice grinder. Heat up the palm oil in a saucepan and start adding the diluted edible potash. That is akam or miringo, any one that you use. Me, like I said, I don't use edible potash. I don't use miringo, the water. I don't use it. I do my abacha like that and it tastes good. Try it and see. Heat up the pan, your palm oil. Warm your palm oil in a saucepan and start adding the diluted edible potash mixture little by little as you stir it. You should notice the mixture turning yellow and thickening as it cooks. Don't add the residue at the bottom of the potash bowl. Next, take off the heat and stir in the puree pepper mix in a bowl along with the grind calabash nutmeg, the shredded stockfish and the onion, followed by the ogiri and the uba. Stir everything very, very well. Finally, add the abacha and slice garden eggs leaves and combine everything. You can, at this point, also mix in your chopped appetizing leaves if you wish, or you can use them as a garnish. Be careful not to add too much utazi, though it's quite bitter and will affect the taste of your abacha if added in excess. So make sure you wash these leaves very, 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 very well. All right, wash the leaves very well with salt. You can even use salt to wash the leaves, then you later rinse off the salt in it. Okay, so while you use salt to wash your leaves, sometimes I use salt to wash my leaves. Anything leaves, use salt, or you use vinegar to wash it. So these things are to make sure that the germs in it, you make sure you there is no germ or anything inside your abacha, because it's fresh. It's fresh. Most thing in abacha is fresh. It's not too well cooked. You don't heat your abacha so long, so that is why you make sure that when you are washing things you are going to use to make your abacha, you wash it with some salty water or with vinegar. Okay, to make sure you get rid of all the germs in it. Okay, so guys, your abacha is ready for eating. Okay, enjoy baby, enjoy guys. You enjoy your beautiful abacha. So delicious, so sumptuous. Enjoy your beautiful abacha. Yeah, try it and you will thank me later. Okay, so guys, some people also ask, is African salad good for weight loss? Some people ask this question a lot. So yes is the answer. Yes is the answer. Yeah, because African salad can be so good for weight loss as they are high in fiber and vegetables, then low in calories. So you see, when you possess all these quality, you know already that it can help you to reduce your weight. So if you eat it every day, okay, yeah, if you eat a small portion of it every day, that will help you in your weight loss journey, guys. So try it and see the result. Yeah, you have to try it before you know that it works. All right, so some people also ask, how healthy is African salad? So African salad is a local food predominantly consumed by the southeastern part of Nigeria. The name abacha is thought to have originated from Igbo's ideology that salad contains lots of vegetables without thorough cooking. It is an excellent source of carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber because it contains vegetables. So many. It is not one thing that is contained in African Nigerian Igbo salad. It contains a lot of vegetables. It contains oil bean seed. It contains pepper. It contains red oil. It contains salt. It contains majority of the things that they use to make this abacha is fresh. It is fresh, not well cooked. Even the abacha itself is cooked, but after fermentation and all that, so you dry it on the sun. So when you want to use it to make abacha, then you can now soak it. You soak it to get that quality that you want to use it to make abacha. So it contains carbohydrates and vitamins, okay, from other things. Fish, there's fish in it. If you want to put dried fish, you can put dried fish. You can put stockfish, depending on how you want it, okay? Yes, so those that put edible potash, you can put edible potash. If you don't, you can put ngo. The water is still part of a kind of potash. Also, if you don't want to put edible potash or the ungo, the potopoto side of it, you can also do your abacha like that. Just, do your abacha like that. Don't worry, one day I'm going to demonstrate how to make my own type of abacha from start to finish. So you will try it and see how it looks, okay? I've done that video before on this platform, African Lioness TV. So, but it's been a long time I made that video. So if you go back on our platform, you're gonna find it. So try and look for it, how I made that abacha from start to finish, and watch the video. Try it and you would like it, okay? Yes, so abacha helps in weight loss. It effectively navigates a Nigerian diet to weight loss. Your diet should focus on whole unprocessed food. Include more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes in your diet. Staples like beans. Eating salad. Some people ask, is it okay to eat salad every day for weight loss? Eating salad every day can be effective for weight loss due to its low calorie and high fiber content. Leafy greens and vegetables are nutritious and filling, helping to reduce overall calorie intake. So guys, you guys have heard everything, so abacha is very, very nice, very nutritious, very, very tasty, so yummy and sumptuous. So guys, I know this festive period, everybody is ready to to mukbang abacha, okay? Yes, so, and fish, abacha and fish. Yeah, so guys, enjoy, okay? So guys, we're gonna end this video here today, and we're gonna talk again. We're gonna see again in the next video. So don't forget to drop your comment on the comment section, like and share the video, make it go viral. See you guys in another one. Bye bye. This is African Lioness TV. See you in the next one. Bye bye.